Okay, so today we're gonna make chicken and leek stir fry. So here are about 500 grams of chicken fillet, thinly sliced, marinated with 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And here we have a mixture of 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 5 tablespoons of water mixed together. Here we have 1 tablespoon of sugar, and here we have 4 large red onions finely chopped, and here we have 2 stalks of white leeks finely sliced. So in a wok we heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil has heated up, we can insert our chopped cut onions. Give it a good stir. Once the onion has slightly softened, we can insert our chicken pieces. Just have to let the chicken fry on each side for 3 minutes until it is slightly brown. Okay, so now that the chicken has slightly browned, we just give it a good stir first. Okay, now we can insert our mixture of sauce. Next is our sugar. Give it a good stir. Now last but not least, we can insert our leeks. Now we just let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes until the leeks are slightly softened, and we can turn it off and serve it with hot rice.